It's Philosopher here, back once again with another video. In this video, as the title suggests, I'll be talking about how you can feel better instantly. First things first, you have to realize it's not the world that's the problem, it's your perception. See, the people who are in a worse condition than you are, the people who are in better condition than you are. And in both of these groups, the happy individuals and depressed individuals in the same world, you know. So it's not the world, it's not what people are looking at, it's how they're responding to their environment, it's what they're feeling, and it's what they're perceiving, and it's all internal. It's not the world, it's how you respond to the world that matters. And if you fix your perception, you fix the world. So here's the thing, if you focus on the good things in your life, they will grow. If you focus on the bad things in your life, they will also grow. Energy flows where attention goes, right? So you gotta train your mind to see the good things in your life and to appreciate that. So you gotta be more grateful. It's easy to forget what you do have when you're pursuing for something more, right? But you're very lucky. Like if you're watching this video, you've got eyes to see, ears to listen to, ears to listen with, and yeah, probably much more, right? You got access to the internet, you got your phone or your laptop, whatever you're using, electricity. The billions who don't have some of this, the billions praying for something that you do have. So you gotta train your mind to be attentive on what you do have, to focus on what you do have, and you gradually cultivate that feeling of gratitude within you, that feeling of appreciation.
So here's a pretty cool website, and so basically orders the whole world by income, and in this particular selection you have homes. So this is the income per month, and this is the richest part of the world, and this is the poorest part of the world. People in the poorest part, let's see how they live, let's see the kind of house they have, and just compare yourself and just realize how lucky you are if you're in there. The chances are if you're watching this, then you're probably on the other end, right? So just look at that. This is monthly income, and if we go up, this is like the average. Yeah, so you're very lucky, man, you're very lucky. Let's change, let's go to toilets. You may want to look away. So this is the middle and top, you know, pretty standard, right? Let's go over here, This is the toilet. Imagine getting your iPhone out and trying to, yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, this is, yeah, so you're very lucky, just look at that, man. But then you've got, it's a pretty cool website, dollarstreet.org. You can do all sorts of searches. You can see showers everywhere, popular kind of beds, pets, teeth of people based on their income, and then all this kind of stuff. But yeah, check it out. You realize how lucky you are. dollarstreet.org.
Here's another thing. See, the odds of you being alive, 400 trillion to 1. You're very lucky just for being alive. Many didn't make it. So you're very lucky. So use your life to make others' lives better in some way, shape or form. There's one last exercise though. So what I want you to do is go on your phone and message. Go for 5, but at least one person in your life, whether your parents, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, anyone, it doesn't really matter who. Just message them, tell them how much you love them, tell them what you appreciate about them, what you like about them. I know it's a bit weird, you're just like, what the fuck does this, man? Like, stop the excuses, just do it. Go for 5. If you go for 5, I'll be impressed. Right, go for at least 1 though. And what you find is, not only will you make them feel better, but you yourself will actually feel better by making others feel better. See, depression is usually you're too focused in your mind, you're too in your head. Like if you go outside of yourself and start to help others, you start to realize how petty or how little your problems are compared to like what others are actually experiencing. So go do that. So that's it for this video really. That's how you to feel better instantly. And thank you for watching, I appreciate it, I love it. Thank you for taking the precious time in your life to watch my videos, I appreciate that. Thank you for all those to subscribe, and yeah, I hope you benefit from this video. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video, and if you have any questions, send a comment, and of course if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. I'll finish off with this. I want you to repeat this after me. I am healthy, I am grateful, I am abundance, I am Philosopher out.